Welcome back. Before you can start working with Mars, please follow along with our installation guide on YouTube or our website. Both are linked in the description. In this video series, I will guide you through the basic functions of Mars. You will learn to create an archive, calculate some summary statistics of the traces, visualize them, do some further analysis, and find back the molecules in your dataset. Let's start with creating our first archive. This tutorial should give you an overview of Mars and its basic functions. You will go from experimental data to a molecule archive. We will use example data from a single molecule experiment. Polymerases were fluorescently labeled, and we will track their movement on a DNA molecule over time. In the experiment, the polymerases were labeled with a dye. The position of the dye will be our readout of the position. The DNA is not visible in the video. Each frame, the polymerase will transcribe the DNA template and change the position. We have to download the video we want to analyze. For that, click on the link in the description or follow along the link on our website. We have to open Fiji. When the download is finished, click on Open and then select the video. Now you can use the slider to go through the different frames, and you can see some of the dots moving from top to bottom with a medium speed. Those are polymerases transcribing DNA. Play around a bit with the video to get familiar with the data. For more background information, read on our website. To track the peaks, we need to use the Peak Tracker tool. You can find the tool under Mars, Image, Peak Tracker. A window will appear with multiple submenus. Please copy each value as you see it on screen or the tutorial website. Before we hit OK, we will play around a bit with the preview function. In the preview window, you can preview the peaks which are found in the video. You can use the T slider to check for different time points. The peaks are marked in the video we opened before. By previewing the peaks, you can make sure that your parameters were set correctly. Press OK. Now an archive should appear. On the left, you can enter different parts of the archive. The first one is the widget section. The second one contains all the information on the experiment itself. Here, the metadata can be accessed. In the third one, you have the single molecule entries. Every molecule has its UID, unique identifier. Each molecule has a table and a plot section. The table has all the coordinates and in the plot section you can visualize them. To plot the traces, click on the plot symbol and a menu will appear. Select for the X the time, T, and for the Y column, Y. Hit refresh. Now you can click through each molecule individually. We visually inspect now the molecules, and we can tag the interesting ones. We will give them a tag if they show the behavior we are interested in. The tags can be used for filtering the data without deleting entries. Every molecule will remain in the archive. We click on the right side of the molecule and write active and press enter. We will go through each molecule separately. Don't forget to save your progress. In next tutorial we will calculate the variance. Check out our website for more in-depth information or detailed explanations. Thank you for watching.